All right, guys, this is 6370 Hoover Road. This is looking out across at the park and school area, and then turning, looking down the main road, and then turning back here to look at the house. And as you can see, there's an open house going on, so this video is going to be interesting. Walking up towards the house, it appears that the roof is newer and it's exterior limestone, so and the windows also appear to be upgraded. Gonna go around to the backyard area. It's the neighbor's place. This is on wide angle, so keep in mind the spaces vary a little bit. There's your backyard, and you have a deck area. I'm going to switch the aspect back to normal. So limestone, and then a little bit of T111 siding, and then it bumps out back over here again on the right side. So this is the front area coming into the home. You got this cool planter. This is going into the kitchen, turning right, laundry area. This is like kind of a separate wing back here. Back through here leads straight through into the kitchen. Turn to the right, half bath. So we'll officially call this the owner's suite. It's its own living space. Entry door. This will be considered the owner's bathroom. Filmed that earlier, but I wanted to make sure you guys realize what we were looking at. And then this would be the primary bedroom. A neat layout. This laundry area. This leads out to the garage. Here's the garage space. Looks like an insulated door. Coming back in. Here is your kitchen space.
Absolutely. In fact, Trent, who is just I just said I would my father.
How much is this one going for?
Well, it's listen for 250. So it is, yeah, in this area, most offers are going for location.
Kitchen, pantry, storage.
The trend. Yeah. Well, you know what I would do?
Another storage area. And here we are heading into the other living space. And then here's the doorway opposite of the window over there that we just looked out, leading out to the deck space. We got decent overhangs, which is nice. They got the grill under the overhang. Like I said, some of the windows have storms down in them, some of them just the screen. I'm gonna switch this back over to regular perspective so you can see the backyard. Looks like the step down off the deck is newer. And it also appears that the wood out here this T111 siding needs a fresh coat of paint, but it's fine for now. It just looks like it's a little dry. So you got these cool limestone caps. There's your hose bib down here. And then going back inside. A little foam ceiling there that probably could be cleaned up. Looking out these windows is your backyard. And again, this is on wide angle, so it's gonna show it to be a little bit larger than it really is. Looks like you have wood windows. Some have screens in, some have storms in. It's kind of a mix of both. Walk back out to the front, take a right.
Prioritize what.
So here's attic access. Here's one of the bedrooms.
But I just want to make sure, because I'm a fire ticket, but I just want to make sure that you guys have Pete, and that's his name.
Got a little carpet wear there from animals. Another room. This is actually a rather large closet. We're gonna walk out here into the bathroom, shared bathroom. A little bit newer tile. Hey guys. Toilets. The windows are not brand new, but they're modern style windows for this house. You have a tile, large format tile, surround, standard tub, and then behind the door here, a little bit of storage. So coming out here, we'll take a left. Got another bedroom. Same good windows here. And really big closets considering the age of this house. These are deep too. If I reach in here, I can barely touch the back. So, and they go way up. There's no light in here. Here we go. So you can see how large that is. So headed back out this way, you can kind of see first bedroom, second, standing in the third. And you have a linen closet here. So another angle here. Another linen closet, and then it has another one next to it. This one's cedar, and it's huge. Another huge closet. So you have tons of storage in this house, which is a bonus for this year of house. Just looking out the front window.
But I'll follow up with you. I'm interested to take a look at the.
This is backing away from the entryway, kind of wrapping around. The exterior looks great on this thing. A lot of activity inside, so I was trying to avoid everybody. Here's your air conditioner. And coming around to the outside backyard area. It's kind of a little log cabin structure across the street in the park.